This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. Happy Friday! I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today post-Thanksgiving, still so full to talk about Bitcoin, crypto, everything going on in this space. Hello, everybody. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you guys, again, as always, you smash a like. You subscribe to the freaking channel. You shared this stream out with friends so more people can know the information we are discussing today and feel the good vibes post-Thanksgiving. Make sure you guys check out our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. missteencrypto or code ZESTY for 20% off at checkout Market Cipher. Holy sheesh, I want to talk about Thanksgiving. I want to talk about crypto. I am so anxious to get, not really anxious, but excited to get into it because I was like so sad yesterday. I wanted to stream in the morning and then I was just like, okay, I gotta focus and like I don't have time to stream because I was cooking. Guys, I was cooking from 10 a.m. maybe earlier to, I don't even know, like 6, 7 p.m. So I was cooking for like a nice 8 hours yesterday. It was absolutely insane. I do know what it takes now to cook a full Thanksgiving din-din. And for all the people that do it, props to you, man. Props to you, all the men, women, whoever that cooked this Thanksgiving dinner. It is not easy. And I've been cooking a lot, so I've been feeling that vibe of like, you know, what it takes to actually get food to the table. And sheesh, man, sheesh. I will show you guys my din-din. So I want to say good morning to you guys first, and then I'll show you guys my Thanksgiving dinner. We'll talk about the crypto news, which again is very important. We'll do some charts, maybe do some requests, hang out as a family. But again, I really just want to say good morning to everybody because you guys are the most important thing. We have Bruce Savage. Nice to see you, my friend. We have Nash over there. Doge Bowl. Shout out to Doge Bowl. Doge Bowl is awesome. Emma, of course, in the chat. We got Greg, Randy. Nice to see you, Greg. Greg is awesome. Shout out to Greg. Hi, all set. S-Dog. Nice to see you, Lazarus. Lazarus. There's also somebody else that said they came in the stream because they had the day off today. I think it was Den. Yes, Den. Nice to see you, Den. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you guys. Brian, as always, in the chat. Michael Volmer. Nice to see you. Incognito. Hello. It's nice to see you. Who else we have here? Boo. I'm definitely missing people. Digi, nice to see you, Digi. Welcome. Sadie, sometimes, good morning. Tom Allen, good morning. Good morning, Emmett. Nice to see ya. Tony B in the chat. It's nice to see you. Automatic Beats. Robert Curry. Rich, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. Lazarus in the chat. It's a pretty chilly morning, below freezing. Man, I am not good with the cold. I don't like the cold. That's why one of my priorities is to leave New York. One, because my neighborhood is a mess. It's falling apart. And two, is because it's cold and I can't do cold. Cold doesn't do well with my body. I do not accept it. Nana. Everyone, please give Nana a heart. I love Nana. Nana is amazing. She does a lot for her family, and she's just a beautiful person inside and out. And I truly love this woman. So please, Crypto Nana, give her a heart in the chat. War Player, good morning. Lewis A-Rod, let's go. Nice to see you. My gosh. GT, nice to see you. Scotty Swing, good morning. Good morning, Scotty. Sheesh, man. So much love in the chat this morning. Lazarus says, very cool outfit. Thank you, my friends. It has pockets. It has pockets. For those of you that don't know, pockets are very important to the outfits. It has to have pockets, and these pockets are like deep pockets. You know what I mean? So we like the fit. But I love denim. Denim is like one of my new things now, and I want like denim everything. You know. Denim dresses are awesome. I'm a big fan of them now. I never thought I would be, but now I am. Sophisticated, nice to see you. Tim, welcome. Who else is in the chat? Avo, good morning. Roberto Hernandez. I apologize. Roberto. Good morning from Arizona. Good morning from New York. Probably nice and warm in Arizona right now. Steven, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. John Jermaine, Oregon Aussie Doodles. Hello. Nice to see you. Old School Comp Science. Hello. Said, is everybody in? Let the ceremony begin. Let's get after it, man. Let's get after it.
Welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Aww.
GM. Take advantage of the Black Friday Bitcoin sale. BTC under 38K. Get it while it's fire.
Get after it, Digi. Thank you, man, for the $20 super chat. Let's get after it today. You know, I might have to FOMO into Trading View, guys. I don't know. Should we have a Trading View fund? David G, nice to see you in the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. John Connor said, gonna head over to Lifer in a bit. Prayers for him. Is he still going live? Phil, nice to see you. Let's talk about Lifer for a second. I was actually going to get into that. So let's talk about Lifer before I get into like my Thanksgiving and stuff like that. Hi, Phil, Dave Digital. All right. So I saw yesterday, where is my item here? I saw yesterday a tweet from Lifer. He is live. Oh my gosh. I don't know how he's doing that. All right. Well, I guess he's live, but if you guys want to go to his X account, yesterday he did post that he lost his mother yesterday, and she had a stroke at his house during Thanksgiving. So if you guys want to give Lifer some love, here's the link to his post here. I really can't believe he's going live, but I am sending him a lot of love. I don't know how he's doing it, and I hope he is able to relax, because I can't imagine going live after having such a loss like that. So please send him love. Please send him all the love and positivity that you can, because it's very sad and it's very, very unfortunate. And I'm sorry to start the show off like this, but I really wanted to show love to Lifer. I literally had his Twitter pulled up and everything pulled up pre-show, because I want to make sure everyone gives him love. So if you do have time, please click on that link, go to his tweet, and please give him love for his family. Okay. Sheesh, man, that's so freaking sad. I can't even imagine. So yesterday, like I said, I did cook a full Thanksgiving dinner. And so let's talk about that for a moment, because that was like insane. But please show love to Lifer, please. Kosh, TBA, happy holidays. Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome. Puggles, you're still over there on the TikToks. Nice to see ya. Sharam, everyone in the chat. John Foster, Tim, nice to see you. missteencrypto for life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Honda Man, nice to see you. Welcome. All right. So, is Bitcoin edible? Emma would make it edible. Emma makes everything edible. So, yesterday, Thanksgiving, like I said, cooking for 8 hours. It was so awesome. This was the turkey when it came out. I think there were minor things I'm going to fix for next year, but it was really nice. I really loved it. And the food turned out like absolutely insane, because this was the beginning. We were getting our stuffing together, true Italian style. This was the plate at the end, just a lot of stuff. The ham wasn't in there. Emma's favorite part was not in there because it wasn't ready yet. But mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, the stuffing, the turkey, honestly, everything turned out really, really good. I got brief instructions, totally winged it, but it turned out absolutely amazing. So go with your intuitions, man, when you're cooking, man, because it'll turn out really good. Then, of course, I made some, of course, you take the toothpicks out, but made some strawberries. Finally found some strawberries that didn't look deadly. For chocolate strawberries. So I made those for Emma. So that was just absolutely insane. But the meal was really good. It really hit. So I'm really happy that I was able to do that, pull it off. And of course, it wasn't just me. It was a family mission. So yeah, that was no food poisoning. No food poisoning. Thank God. Thank God. So we're going to get into Bitcoin crypto news. Bitcoin is actually pumping right now. So I think we have to talk about it. Like, we have to talk about it. I know I've been going into the news first, but I think we got to go into the market recap and everything before that. So we do have the market recap here. We have the overview. We have some alts pumping this morning. We got to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is breaking out $37,938 today, 1.7% in the green. We do have that green money flow coming in, that green dot printing on market Cipher, momentum pumping, RSI pumping still, that VWAP that's over that zero line, curved right over, which is beautiful. I absolutely love what I'm seeing here because we did have a bounce back here on Wednesday. Yesterday, we were a little like, whatever, it's okay. But then this morning, we broke through 37.6, which was our resistance. And now we tested 38K. We briefly hit 38K, 38.1 about we did hit this morning. So we're looking to maintain this and possibly pump it up. Maybe we see 40K over the weekend. I don't know. Usually weekends are a little bit sideways. They have a lackluster time with trading just because the volume isn't all there, the holidays. However, this is beautiful. So if you guys think we're going to continue to pump it up, if you think we're going to have a green weekend, then please put a yes or a one emoji, or put a 2 or a no. So 1 yes emoji, 2 for no emoji. So smash these likes again, share the stream out with friends. We have a goal of 125 likes, 100 live viewers. So let's continue to get after it. This again is absolutely beautiful. Hopefully that volume continues to come in and we are absolutely chilling. We do have over $2,100 ETH. Thank gosh, I'm so ready to pimp it.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
$2,100 ETH was, of course, the goal to return back to April highs, our highs back here in November. So we are revisiting those. Again, we wanted to do that. That was our goal over the past few days. Yesterday, we had like pretty neutral type of little movement here, barely trading at all. But now we see that post-Thanksgiving, people are done. They're full. They're ready to trade. Their tummies are hungry for gains. So that's what we see right now. Hopefully we could close this day above $2,100 ETH and maybe head over to $2,300 ETH, which is some very important level dating back here to May of 2022, where once we rejected this level of 2,300, it was a little bit of a downturn from there. And also we see here at $2,300 ETH, last time we had a bull run, once we got above $2,300 ETH back here in July of 2021, we had some really nice price action that eventually led to all-time highs. Again, are we going to go to all-time highs if we hit $2,300 ETH? Not saying that, just saying that we could have a nice little segue and not much blocking us to getting into $2,300 ETH. And beyond that, again, was where we kind of went into the bull market. Not kind of, did. It's a fact. Boom. We have $70 Litecoins. I don't know where Mr. Yi is in the chat, but I know he loves his Litecoins. We do have $70.54 Litecoins, 1.5% in the green today. I really do love what's going on here with Litecoins. We do see here that money flow is coming through, VWAP coming through, green dot printing on market Cipher, which is amazing, and we are happy to see it. Hopefully that continues with that momentum, and the RSI is bouncing up pretty nicely. We see here that this could have possibly been an ambitious cup and handle here on Litecoin. We could see if again this plays out where we could maybe hit that $74 resistance and get to $77.56 200-day SMA. We currently are past the 200-day SMA with Ethereum, with the Bitcoin. So the same needs to happen with Litecoin. Dogecoin above that 200-day SMA, sitting here at 0.07772 cents, 2% in the green today. We do see that Dogecoin is having that volume. It's picking up, a little bit slumped today, but getting there. We see that the money flow is still in the green, although a red dot was printed on market Cipher. The VWAP looks like she's spicy, looks like she wants to head over that zero line, so we'll see what happens there. And the RSI is picking up as well. We want to test the 0.7978 cents about right here. We need to get above this level. That's important. That's what I like to see. And of course, staying above the 200-day SMA is critical. Very, very crazy. Very nice price action this morning. Critical levels are hit. Bitcoin may be primed for a little bit of a breakout. We will see what happens here because, again, we do know that Bitcoin wants to make moves. She's been consolidating for quite a while now. Man, so much happening right now in crypto, so much happening just pretty much everywhere. So we will get into the news. I'm going to update you guys on everything that's going on. Man, all right. Let's talk about bullish. So last week we found out that Tom Farley, he was the ex-New York Stock Exchange president. You would think this guy is TradFi to the max. Well, actually, he has a liking towards crypto. He has his own exchange called Bullish that is not available in the US, but it has a lot of coins that are listed on it, such as Decentraland, such as Litecoin, Bitcoin, and a few other coins that maybe you would be surprised at, like Dogecoin, like Ripple. Obviously, they would add these coins to the exchange because they have some sort of regulatory clarity. Let's hear what Tom Farley had to say. We did hear in this interview, which they didn't really put at the end, that although he did say he was very bullish on crypto, he is, and he bought CoinDesk. So this guy, New York Stock Exchange president, has a now crypto exchange, also buying CoinDesk, one of the leading media companies in crypto. They said this was an all-cash deal, but what he disclosed in the interview was that it wasn't all hard cash. It was crypto. And maybe he's identifying crypto as cash, which again gives you a little bit of insight as to where his mind is. Let's hear what he had to say.
Friend of Brian Steele, co-friend. But no, seriously, part of it is this guy ran the New York, crypto bulls.
Right.
This guy ran the New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah.
He's all in on Bitcoin and crypto now, right? They use that as a, just kind of credibility.
Right.
For that
and
asset.
A year
class.
ago, like my father was looking at me saying, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
You ran the New York Stock Exchange.
Where did I go wrong?
And now you're in crypto. And crypto had lost its mind a little bit. It was all about fraud coins and monkey drawings and fraud hero worship. And I took some breaks. I took some new hobbies.
They were
like
apes.
gardening.
I believe they were apes. I don't think they were
apes.
Are apes monkeys?
There were monkeys as well. There were both.
And vampires
at that time. Yeah. But I doubled down, Joe, because I think first of all, I think it's already coming back, and I'm making a bet.
Well, that's what you're saying about this acquisition. Is that for the next bull run in crypto, you want to have CoinDesk as like a media arm of your company, because the bull run is already starting.
Yeah, the bull
in
run's
your view.
In my view, the bull run's already started. I make no promises how long it'll continue or to what extent, but the winners in this next wave will be well-run, trusted companies that are adult, that are compliant. CoinDesk is a great example of that. They are, present company excluded, they are the go-to source for crypto news. They broke the Sam Bankman-Fried story. They are award-winning journalists. They have a conference business that's the longest running, largest gathering for crypto, Consensus. It's May 29th in Austin. And they have an index business that I'm really excited about that already has $25 billion back.
So not only, listen to what he says pretty carefully. Not only is he saying that Bitcoin and crypto is in the bull run, but he's also looking at different parts of the industry. A lot of people, especially from TradFi, they're just looking at crypto as an asset class. But what goes with the asset class? Just like stocks, commodities, bonds, there's news stations, there's press, there's conferences. He's really smart because he's thinking ahead. All right, crypto becoming mainstream. What is a part of crypto? All right, let's cover media. Let's get that part. Ishkabibble. Let's make sure we get the conference end of things. So he's thinking of all the other businesses that will interconnect with crypto and make it mainstream and actually have that interactive side of the space, like going to conferences, like I said, having that media. Very, very smart. Very smart.
Benchmark to it, and I think that there's some real synergies with Bullish, the exchange we run. So yeah, it's a business that's positioned to really do well in a recovery.
You got Matt running editorial, right?
Yeah, I think
also credibility.
Right, because look, me personally as the CEO, if I go in and I show up in the newsroom and I say, oh, you need to cover me, and you need to cover me like the North Korean press corps covers Kim Jong-un.
You did that to us when you came in as a contributor.
I did. So maybe my reputation preceded me.
You did.
But Matt is there to ensure we respect editorial independence, journalistic independence.
Another thing that's very interesting, journalistic independence is very important to him, which is something that we don't really see in the traditional media. Few other things he mentioned.
Hong Kong, I mean, it's global. Right?
Yeah, it's global business. We have about 100 plus in Hong Kong. But bullish, we don't spend a lot of money on marketing. That's why you and others probably don't know too much about it. It's probably the fastest growing crypto exchange. I say probably only because maybe there's one out there I'm not aware of. We're now number 2 or number 3 in spot Ether and Bitcoin, the two bellwethers every day. We're the 4th or 5th largest spot exchange. We're launching futures this month with a fair wind. We need a few things to fall into place, including regulatory approval, but we're going to launch futures. So that business is doing very well. Slow and steady wins the race here, Joe. Highly compliant. We have 25 coins, not 7,000. You have to pass a rigorous set of standards.
You know all these people in charge of whether there's a spot ETF. You know them all. They all trust you and they all know you from your prior life. What the hell is happening? Is it something that's going to happen next year? Is it going to be 2025? What's the deal? What's the problem?
I'm not gonna give you a specific date. I guess I'm a little less optimistic of the immediacy of an approval. In other words, like November or even December. The current chairman and the SEC have said that they believe that pretty much everything in crypto, with the exception of Bitcoin, sometimes Ethereum, and possibly stablecoins, are securities, and that securities, at least in the United States, need to trade on a nationally recognized exchange, and they do not today. And I think these two issues at the moment are interwoven. That doesn't mean they can't be decoupled, but I think there's a view that, hey, if these don't trade on an exchange, how do we know that the underlying prices are trustworthy?
Listen to what he's saying. He said, we do have our business bullish. It's one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges, except, we do not do a lot of marketing, yet we're launching futures, yet we have 25 coins, not a million. Why is he saying that? He said that all the coins that are on his exchange are ones that passed rigorous tests. So if you see that bullish is setting up for the big run. He's setting up because he knows that there has to be certain regulations for his platform to work. So if you want to know what coins he's thinking of, it's Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Sushi, Uniswap, Avalanche, Chainlink, Aave, Sandbox, Polygon, Loopring, Decentraland, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Gala, EOS. These are all coins that maybe people wouldn't think would pass these standards because a lot of them are centralized. A lot of them haven't gotten the regulatory clarity from the SEC, but this guy knows what will pass. He did those tests, so he has that insight. He also mentions how much it's important to make sure he has that clarity. You even go on the website for bullish. If you go on the website and you go past this and you're in the United States, China, Japan, Russia, then you will be kind of in trouble for even looking at the website because it's technically not part of their terms of service. He's going to bring crypto to the U.S. because he has the insider knowledge. He knows what's going on the inside. He literally said that money will flow into this industry once a Bitcoin ETF comes out. He knows this because he knows the mind of a TradFi bros.
Everyone acknowledges Bitcoin is not a security, including the regulators. So possibly the Bitcoin ETF does go ahead more quickly, which would be great for the industry because money will flood into the industry with the Bitcoin ETF. It's just easy to buy. People believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to be here. Bitcoin's a great invention. It just is. It is a store of value. I know it's volatile. It is a store of value.
Some people think it's a discovery, not an invention. It was already there. It was always there.
Yeah, I'll buy that. I'll buy that. You've been on Bitcoin.
Of course.
You've been on Bitcoin since the earliest days.
Yeah. And
everyone
wants Bitcoin. Everyone knows about Bitcoin. Of course. Big money understands. They know where the future is, and that's crypto. So if you guys are wondering, why is everything going on with Binance? Why are there cases against people like Coinbase? It's to lead and pave the way for people like Tom Farley, the TradFi pros, to now say, oh, we like crypto. Crypto's now interesting because we know we can make money with it. Not only from the investment side, but Tom Farley pointed out that there are other cryptocurrencies that do make sense, that will pass regulatory standards. You should invest in other parts of the crypto sector, not just the assets themselves. You have ETFs now coming into play, and you have companies like CoinDesk, which if you're smart, okay, maybe I don't want to get into the crypto exchange, which he already did because he knows what will happen. He has the insider knowledge. But hey, crypto needs media. CoinDesk is leading media. Crypto conferences for people to learn about crypto. Oh, CoinDesk does consensus. They have podcasting, so many businesses that go along with one company. That is genius. A genius move by him. He said he wants to enable and enhance editorial, tradition, make sure things are fair, which is things that we haven't seen in traditional finance either. But the New York Stock Exchange president, the ex-president, is in crypto, and he understands what's going on, and he's not going to wait. He's not going to let others get in front of him, which, again, very, very smart. And Bitcoin is absolutely pumping. Make sure you guys share the stream out with friends. We have 100 viewers right now. Make sure you guys share the stream out with friends. We have 16 more likes till 100 likes. Pump up that like.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Bitcoin is pumping $38,250 today, 2.5% in the green. Guys, we are moving. We tested at 37.6. We're moving up. Let's take a look at the minute chart. Ooh. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Listen, you see on the minute chart, the volume is coming in quite dramatically. We are making a nice move. So we'll see how we close out this minute. If we close it in the green, it might be pretty nice because we have the three white soldiers, or the three white bros, as I like to call them, because this is absolutely beautiful. Look at Bitcoin pumping it up. 38.3, guys. 38.3. Oh, my gosh.
Oh my God!
Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Wow, look at Bitcoin right now. Let's look at what Market Cipher is saying. 38.3, Bitcoin is moving. We have that money flow that is mooning. Although a red dot was just printed on Market Cipher, so maybe did we top out? We're also going in the negatives below the zero line with that VWAP. Oh no! Oh no!
They're not.
Jeez, guys, what is going on? What is going on? See, look, we're dumping now. I hope we didn't top out. 38.3 is beautiful. Was it a fake pump? Guys, was this a fake pump? What is happening?
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
I don't know, guys. All I know is that Bitcoin is trying to pump, but we do see that the red dot was printed on Market Cipher, and the VWAP went below the zero line. And then once that happened, Bitcoin started to go back down. We will check in on her again. We will check in on her. Sheesh, man. Over the weekend, guys, CZ Binance messed up. He was supposed to go back to Dubai. He agreed to pay, Binance agreed to pay a $4.3 billion penalty with the Department of Justice in a Wednesday filing. Take a gander. Prosecutors said that Zhao, a citizen of the UAE, had minimal ties to the U.S. and may not return should he be allowed to leave. They noted that they were not asking him to be jailed ahead of sentencing, only that he be required to remain in the U.S. His sentencing is currently scheduled for February 23rd, and he faces potentially over 1 year in prison, along with a fine. Under the terms of his current bond agreement, Zhao can leave the U.S., having put up a $15 million in trust accounts. Signed a $175 million personal agreement of a sort, bond, here, because we did see over the weekend he did get out on this $175 million bond and found people that are putting up additional funds as well. We did see the same thing that happened with FTX, with SBF, where he did actually have a ridiculous bond, but other people were raising the funds for him and putting up additional funds. So CZ put up $15 million himself in a trust account, signed a $175 million bond, and found other people to add funds to it. During a Tuesday hearing, his attorneys did argue that forcing him to stay in the U.S. Was a hardship for him and his family. Since he wanted to go back to the UAE, the judges from the UAE did say that he could come back because he didn't present a risk of flight. Zhao is currently in the U.S. at least until November 27th. If the judge chooses not to review the DOJ filing by 5 p.m. Pacific on that day, Zhao will be free to return to Dubai but must come back by February 10th. So you do see that they want him here at least 2 weeks before his hearing. Very interesting. And speaking of charges, speaking of criminality, supposed criminality, at least on CZ's part, Do Kwon! His extradition was approved by the Montenegro court. He was picked up in Montenegro a little while ago, a few months ago, because he was trying to flee the country using falsified documents. A court in the capital of Montenegro approved the extradition of Do Kwon to either South Korea or the United States. He was arrested in March. The final decision on the extradition will be made after Kwon serves a 4-month prison sentence in Montenegro for document forgery. Following his arrest, he faces multiple counts of fraud in the U.S., in addition to civil charges in the U.S. and an ongoing investigation in South Korea. Man, he's getting clipped. His co-founder's getting clipped. All of them are getting clipped. And again, it's all over things that are failures on their part, and they shouldn't have done it. And that's why you will pay the consequences if you do things that are wrong. However, people are always getting framed, and people are always getting extorted. Could you say that the same thing happened to CZ Binance, where maybe he did get extorted? I don't know. Alfred91 on TikTok. Hey, beautiful. I have a question. Should I buy some Dogecoin? Listen, man, I don't tell you what to do. I don't tell anyone what to do because that's against my ethos. People say, Bitcoin's doing this. You should buy this. You should sell that. I will never do that. Ever. Because I don't give financial advice. That's bad. And you know Gary Gensler will clip that and use that against me in the future. So heck no. But what I will tell you is that, listen, Dogecoin, there's a lot of plans for Dogecoin in the future. There's going to be future utility. It's programmed into like the Tesla cars and such. It's used as payment at Tesla currently. Dogecoin's actually going to the physical moon. They have a little space mission that's going to have a physical Dogecoin on there. So listen, Dogecoin, it has a future. It's proof of work. It's its own decentralized blockchain. So there is use for it. At one point, a few months ago, there was more Dogecoin transactions than Bitcoin, ETH, and Litecoin, which is pretty interesting. It's also merged mine with Litecoin as well. Khalil said, I told my mom about us. How many times has this happened to me? Jeez, man. Jeez. Guys, we have 95 likes, 106 people watching. Smash that like. Flat Smack, it's nice to see you. Emma Foster, good morning. I hope you're feeling better. Can you tell me you're feeling better? Oval, Beater Teslas. Listen, Emma's still waiting for her Tesla. Select, MTC, should I buy BTC?
Bruh.
I will beat you up. I will beat you up. You want to throw hands right now? You want to throw hands in the denim? You don't want the heat, man. You do not want the heat. It'll be like, yeah, you don't want the heat. You don't want it. Steven, with bonds, it doesn't have to be cash. It could be property. My cousin had $1 million bond out of business. Out of 2 houses. Oh, okay. Got you. Nice. Listen, if you could play the TradFi game, play it right. You know what I mean? Wifey Wick. Hi, Wifey Wick. She said, what up? Are we rich yet? That's funny. That's funny. Doc Denzel Joe, it's still early in the day. Yes, it's still early in the day. Yes. Oh, Randy, Wifey Wick, I don't have YouTube Red, so I have ads before streams, but I always watch them, so you hopefully get ad revenue. Aww. Thank you. I appreciate it. And hello, Weck. He said we're rich and loved here. That is actually really cute. That is really cute. I'm happy for you guys. Hand telephone said funds are safe. Yes. Bitcoin pumping it up live. Yes. Still, we see here on the minute chart that it's possible that we did top out for the moment. It seems like in the past few minutes that Bitcoin has been trying to catch up. We had a high we just saw of 38.3. So we want to make sure we can stay above 38K. We did visit 38K earlier today. When was it? We're here, yeah. 38K right here. We did have a wick high of 38.1. This was obviously, I think, this morning or something like that. Oh, man, it was sad, man. And then we topped out. We went back down. We tested 37.6 again right here. And now we're coming back up. So hopefully we could go back up. We could overtake these candles. Hopefully in this minute we close above this one right here. And maybe we could have some headway. I don't know. I'm just like waiting for that pop. We need that pamp. Like Bitcoin needs to go. Go. Pamp it. Go. Do you guys also have chart requests? I will take chart requests because I feel like post-Thanksgiving, let's do a request. Let's request it up. If you guys have any charts you want me to look at, please let me know. Friday last week, I think the Friday 2 weeks before that, I don't know what you guys are talking about in the chat. You guys are crazy. Do you guys, again, have any chart requests? I don't know what's going on. Telcoin, Corbin said. Telcoin. Okay, let's take a look at Telcoin then. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Oh. See, we closed above this red candle, so we're testing this one again. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, Bitcoin. Ooh, 38.3 again. Let's go. See, if we could get above and close this minute above this candle right here, oh, we might have some zest. We might have some spice. We need to close above this. We're watching it. We're watching the minute charts like absolute degen. See, we're outpacing it. We're outpacing it. Hopefully we can keep moving. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. If we witness a major pamp right now, I will be so happy. Should we, guys, we need those members in the chat. Please put those rocket emojis. Maybe the rocket emojis won't pump the market. Give it a little love in the chat. Give it a little love. Turkey coin, I know. Blue Star, nice to see you. Welcome, welcome. All right. Guys, we're pumping live. I love to see it. My gosh, look at her go. We hit 38.4 for a brief moment. All right, let's keep closing in the green. If we could keep closing the green, stay above right here, that's nice. That is nice. But if we start falling into the red and start dumping, then it might be a little bit of an issue. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. We're at 38.4 right now. We're pumping live. Now listen, of course, 38.4, this is the minute chart. We want to make some moves, man. We want to move it up. Hopefully we could, but it seems like 38.4 we're rejecting right now. So we'll see what happens next. Sheesh, man. See, we're dumping straight up. And when that happens, that's not nice. Unless it gets bought back up and we go back into the green, I'm a little nervous. Hopefully it gets bought back up. It seems like we're trying to get that going. Oh my gosh. Is there anything less than the 1 minute I can look at? All right. We'll see what happens. Let's go to Telcoin, man. Let's go to Telcoin. Switch back to the daily. We're at 38.4. We're going to keep watching it. Let's go to Telcoin. All right. So Telcoin, I'm taking a look at this right now. If you guys have any chart requests, again, please put it in the chat. I'm more than happy to take them. We are pamping it up. I absolutely love watching Bitcoin pump live. I love when this happens to us, man. I really do. That's so awesome. Oh, Corbin, thank you for subscribing, my friend. Welcome to the Zesty fam officially. That is awesome. All right, so let's take a look at Telcoin for our friend in the chat. All right, beautiful. Hey, beautiful angel. Love your imperfection every... Do you guys know that song? It's a good song. It is a good song. And you know what? I might need a good air conditioner in a few minutes because it's hot in here. All right. Telcoin, man. Telecoin, 0.002 cents, 1.17% in the green today. We see that we are battling with the 0.0027 cent resistance here. We do see that once we rejected that here in April, it was a little bit scary. So hopefully we could continue to maintain this level, pump through it. So that's what I'm looking at next. And hopefully it doesn't bounce to 0.0023 down there. Looking at market Cipher, though, maybe she could give us some insight. We have that green money flow. VWAP a little bit down, but red dot printed. So hopefully the RSI can maybe catch up too, because you see she's a little stagnant right now as well. You have, oh yes, this one is my real account. Yes, my friend. Sorry, friend on TikTok. I know it's crazy, but yeah, this is pretty much what I'm looking at. If Bitcoin keeps going up, let's test this level here today, my friend. 0.0027. All right, so let me see. I have some requests here. All right, so what's Bitcoin doing right now so I don't miss anything? 38.4 still. All right, so while Bitcoin is pumping, my friends, again, Bitcoin is pumping it up. We're going to look here at Digibyte. All right, Digibyte, guys. Digibyte is beautiful. I love Digibyte so much. I really do think that Digibyte is one of the most underrated cryptocurrencies out there, and people will realize it. Like, people sleep on Litecoin. People sleep, like snore to the top degree on Digibyte. I'm telling you. Do you like my snore sound? 0.00772 cents. 3.76% in the green today. We do see here that we wanted to test a penny. We want a penny Digibyte, but we will have to be patient. See here that that money flow is still in the green, although we do want to pump over that zero line in terms of the VWAP and the momentum as well. So we'll see what happens there. We see that we're in bearish, but now neutral territory for the RSI, and hopefully she continues to go up. We do want to test for Digibyte 0.00836. I always see 0.008 cents. Always see it. And we always have trouble with it. Here, trouble. Just ridiculous. I can't keep watching this level with Digibyte, guys. We need to get above it. 0.00836. Now,
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
also, staying above this 200-day SMA is critical. It seems like buyers did defend the 200-day SMA, and hopefully we continue to close above it. We are on a nice run, up 3.76%, like I said, with Digibyte today. So hopefully we have a nice move, and she keeps going. Let me check the chat. Crypto Cajun said, it's pumping because of me. Thank you. Golshi, nice to see you. Can't be bullish until all-time high. Oh, you're fun, man. You're fun. Manifest. Yes, let's manifest it all. Double O said, great song. Is it the Pamp It Up song? Got to pamp it up. Alvio said, buying his spacesuit on Amazon. Yeah. Josh V, hype for you, Josh V. All right, so I see Crow. All right, let's do some Crow for Doc Denzel. Sorry, I almost died. Eric Carlson, nice to see you. All right. You gotta crow it up. You got to crow. All right. Let's crow. Woo! We do have a 9-cent crow, almost 10-cent crow. 7.7% in the green today. Seems like Crow is having a nice day. We need to test that. We need to test that 10 cents. That is a psychological level. So we did actually test 10 cents and rejected it today. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Psychological level incoming, guys. We do see here that the green dot was printing on market Cipher. We have that VWAP over that zero line, and we are moving up with that RSI. So all things are looking good for Crow. We do see here that we are testing this resistance here at 0.095 cents. We are pamping above it, thank gosh, because the last time we heavily rejected this back in November of 2022, it was a little bit scary. We did reach our lows, maybe all-time lows, if this chart from Coinbase doesn't have all the accurate information. But we did make lows in October that were at 4 cents, went above that 200-day SMA, and it's been high and clean and beautiful ever since. She's been flying like a bird. I'm like a bird. I want to fly away. I don't know where my home is. Let's see what the chat is saying. Yeah, that level was just hanging out rent-free for some unknown reason. Yeah, basically. What's up, Eric? What's a psychological level? 10 cents is a psychological level. 10 cents. We see we're just below it now. We tested it. The other day we did test it too. We were at 12 cents, but 10 cents is a psychological level. And it seems like it wants to test it too. So again, we test again, reject it, but hopefully we go back over it again and see what happens here. But we do know that Bitcoin is struggling a little bit. We did hit 38.4. We did come back down. We're at 38.2 right now, but we are still having a minor pump, 2.5% in the green. Thank you, Tracy, for subscribing to the channel. Shout out to Tracy. Corbin. All right, wait, I got your tell coin. I did the tells of the coins. Tells of the coins. Mike Shaw Shig, good morning. Marley said, asked, okay, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. I got the chart. Give me a second. ASTR. Let's use Binance. All right, I got you, friend. Give me uno momento, por favors. All right, so we do see here that we have Aster. We'll see what I can do here. All right, very interesting levels. Very interesting. Okay. So, what we're looking at currently, I understand. I see you. I see you. Okay. So, we see here that we're at 6 cents, almost 7 cents, up 4.27% in the green. In the green. We see here that we have that green money flow, that green dot printing, and the VWAP flying over that zero line. So that is bullish indicators. We also see that that RSI is pumping up from that neutral zone. We know that we did struggle with the 200-day SMA, then used 5.5 cents about as support, pamped up to our next spot, which was just over, which is basically 7.25 cents. Rejected it a little bit, came back down. Looks like we're trying to pop back up. So I would like to look to test that again. And if we do pass it, let's go to just over 8 cents. That's the next target. Pamp through here. That's what I want. And then if anything, if you take a dip, you bounce back off, you come back up. That'll be a really nice price action too. And not touching that 200-day SMA. But we want to, if Bitcoin keeps pumping, we want to test that, the 7 cents. Go right through that, go to 8. Woo! Pamp it. You got to amp it up. Tim said he subbed on X. That's beautiful. Please, friends, make sure you guys are subscribed to my X.coms. I do post exclusive tweets every day. Link in live chat description. You got it. Is Digi on any dexes? I'm not sure, actually, BSCN. I'm not sure. I guess you have to just look at CoinMarketCap maybe in the listings. BSCN said you subscribed on X2. Let's go. Bam it up. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Tom DeFi. Yes, Tom. Nice to see you, man. Thank you for subscribing. We love that. Long Crow until November 2025. Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. I mean, listen, that's bold. Picture and merch logo doesn't do me justice. Thank you. I appreciate it. Follow the rabbit hole. Yes, true. Yes, true. Are there any other chart requests that you guys would like to see? DGB's on Changelly. Yes, it's on Changelly. I believe it's on Change now. Let me see if I could go to CoinMarketCap and see where it's listed. Let me grab that for you guys. DGB. I love Digibyte. Digibyte's so underrated, dude. People are going to talk about it in the future and be like, why was I looking at this? Where does it tell you? Markets, maybe? No. Where do you find this? Oh, yeah. Binance, Qcoin. Is this the full list? Binance, Qcoin, OKX, Bybit, Probit, QOB/HTX, Upbit, Binance US, Crypto.com. Marley, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Wazer, I don't know how to pronounce that one. Paul Jones, thank you for subscribing. Nova, Dax, Coin DCX, BitTurk. So I guess you guys could see all of those. BitTrue, BingX, Bitmart, Bittrex, which is shutting down, unfortunately. Pionex, CoinX, which was hacked recently. StateCube, So yeah, there's like a ton of places you guys could buy Digibyte. Except if you're in New York, then you can't buy anything. Yay! So much love for crypto in New York. Woo! Ah, yee. Crypto in New York is trash, man. Trash. Crypto farmer. Thank you, man. Let's see what's going on here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, oof, rejecting 38.4 and dropping like a rock. Dropping like a rock. We're at 38.1. It's really not that bad. We're still in the green for the day, so hopefully we could continue pamping it up. It would be very nice to see what's going on here. Crypto Cajun, what do you get? How do I get around that? So in New York, it sucks. I can't really get around anything. So the way I accumulate coins is by going and seeing what I have options for. And I was able to buy Digibyte in New York. When I first started my account in April 2020, I was able to buy Digibyte here. But because it's so lame here, then all these exchanges had to leave. And it sucks. So yeah, without like, you know, getting myself in legal trouble and giving you guys other ways, yeah, just be careful, man. Don't do anything that's gonna get you in trouble. And a lot of people are saying VPNs. I don't think I could legally say anything about that without getting myself in trouble. So do what you need to do. But isn't the stock exchange over there? Yeah. So that's why New York wants to hold everything back, because obviously the New York Stock Exchange is here, all the TradFi bros are here, and they want to maintain their dominance, and they're scared of crypto, and all the money, all the major banks like UBS, all of these major banks, the United Nations, is all based in Manhattan. Once you get into Manhattan from Brooklyn, the first thing you witness is the United Nations. So all of these people are in New York, they're all here, and that's why they don't want us to have crypto. What is the video you did with Emma called? Emma, when were you on? I don't even remember. When was Emma on the show? Emma was on the show last week. If you check the channel, Emma, which one were you on, man? I forgot when Emma was on. I think she was on last Friday, I want to say, like a week ago. Yeah, Emma was on Friday. And then during the week, I was singing to her, and then she left. But definitely last Friday, you guys could check, the past 2 Fridays. Is Digibyte EVM? They have so many gifts and stickers on Telegram. Gives you Starknet vibe. I don't think it's an EVM. I think you should double check that online. I don't think it's an EVM. Digibyte, it's its own proof of work blockchain. It has 5 algorithms that it uses so that it doesn't get attacked, and it maintains its safety and its prosperity. It's so cheap. It's cheaper than Litecoin. It's cheaper than any other cryptocurrency, probably besides Nano, but instant, faster than Litecoin, probably the fastest cryptocurrency. You click that button with Digibyte and you have it right there and then. So I'm a big fan of Digibyte. I'm a big fan of the technology. It literally has never failed, and it has that finite supply. And I feel like, you know, in the future, right, people are looking at how are you going to use cryptocurrency? What is it going to look like? Okay, Bitcoin, you're going to the store. You're not transacting with layer 1 Bitcoin, like regular on-chain Bitcoin, because it's too slow. It's too expensive. If I'm going to the store, I'm not using Ethereum either, because maybe it's a little bit faster, but it's way too expensive, especially when it reaches mainstream adoption. Then you go, okay, what's next? What's actually digital cash? Litecoin, because you have OmniLite. You build on top of it, have digital ID. Then you also have MWeb, Mimblewimble extension blocks. So that way you can have that privacy. So the only people that know who's transacting and how much is being moved is you and I. Amazing. Privacy, fungibility. And also it's cheap and fast. You could make $1 million purchase or a $1 purchase, and the fee will be a penny or less. You hit that button and it's already in the other person's wallet, confirmed. Digibyte is even faster than Litecoin, which is like so hard to do. And again, has that finite supply. It's beautiful. 5 algorithms, great team. And recently, I know the Digibyte Foundation shut down, and I'm very upset about the Digibyte Foundation shutting down. And I really wish that other cryptocurrencies along with Digibyte, like I try my best to help them, just like I know Litecoin has their foundation, Digibyte has their foundation. And I understand that these are decentralized projects and stuff, but if there is a foundation, man, market. And I think Digibyte was just too early. And I think the foundation could bounce back in the future. I would like to see that.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Happy holidays. Oh yeah, and buy Bitcoin.
Yeah, Pampas! Thank you, David. Shout out to you and your family. Give your daughter, give the wifey a hug for me, please. Please give them love. Thank you, David. But yeah, marketing needs to be had. Listen, the dollar has marketing. There needs to be partnerships. If it is decentralized and you have the ability to do marketing, you have the ability to send people places, you have the ability to maybe make a commercial or go and spread adoption, then do it. I know money is inevitable, and if the project is good, it will succeed on its own at one point, but why not bring that adoption faster? Why not send people to conferences if you have the ability to? Why not create conferences that are easy and welcoming to everybody? But yeah, marketing is key. And I know things are decentralized, but if people have the ability to do it, then I believe they should. Bring the adoption faster. If it succeeds anyway. But I think everything needs help in education. Just my opinion. Litecoin is the base, huh? But Digibyte may bring larger profits. So listen, Litecoin, I can't say for Litecoin or Digibyte what's going to bring profit or not. I'm talking about what's going to succeed in terms of technology. Technology is so important. And we want to make sure that we could have technology that we could use that's actually feasible. What's going to be actually used? This is cryptocurrency. This is not crypto stonks where we're like, oh, what's going to have the most upside? What's going to work as money? What's going to bring us to that decentralized financial ecosystem that we want to spread, not just with Bitcoin, but with other decentralized cryptocurrencies? I remember Digibyte fighting listings back in the day. Listen, Digibyte has had its beefs. But listen, you want to make sure that, again, you can make friends with exchanges, get those listings. And again, if the crypto succeeds and it does so good, then it doesn't matter who says what or who fights over what. Exchanges are a business. If they see that the liquidity is there, if they see that the need for the trade is there and people want to trade this cryptocurrency, they will list it. Exchanges have listed the shadiest things out there, but they don't list Digibyte. Like, that doesn't make sense to me. It's one of the longest lasting cryptocurrencies. There's Mr. Yi. Digibyte is not an EVM. Yes, I knew that. Due to the 5 algos, you end up with blocks every 15 seconds. Supply is 75% mined. Only 10 more years of block reward. Alpha. Adequate. So there you go. Dr. Digibyte has the fix. 2014 Digibyte developers held the DOGE team implement DigiShield for real-time adjustments, curing DOGE of its on-chain freezing issues. Yeah, Digibyte has helped DOGE. Litecoin has helped DOGE. There's so many things that people don't even know about. People literally don't even know about. People don't know when they look at Dogecoin that it's merged mine with Litecoin, and that's why it has the security it has. Like, Dogecoin wouldn't be where it is today without Digibyte, without Litecoin. Yet people sleep on Litecoin and say it's trash. But if Dogecoin succeeds, then Litecoin inevitably succeeds because they go together. Gabe, you love the fit. Thank you, Gabe. Shout out to you, Gabe. Shout out to you, Dave Digital. Feels like you're yelling at me. You know what, Dave? If you want me to yell at you, then I will yell at you. I will yell. Was that good? Hi, Crypto Farmer. Tacos, I hear you. Thank you. I hope you hear me. I'm screaming out here. I'm screaming at Dave. Can't scream at Creighton today because he's not here. Mr. Yi is too quiet for me to yell at him. So why is he being quiet? Tom, you want me to yell at you? Tom, I'm yelling at you. Tom, I am yelling. Yelling at Tom. Was that good? Was that good? Grr roar, grr yell. Dave, you don't enjoy being yelled at? Dave, I'm sorry. Here's a soft, high hug. Hi, Dave. Much love, Dave. Sprinkle of love, Dave. Was that good? Is that better? Is that better? Perfect. All right, Tom likes me yelling at. Good. Okay, Bagman Elite. Okay. All right. I sound like a sim. Beep, bop. I am a sim. Beep, boop, weep, boop, beep, bop. We whoop. Yeah, guys, this was a beautiful show. Beautiful talk we had today. A lot of love that's going on. And again, if you guys haven't seen, I'm begging you, please go to Crypto Lifer's page. This man lost his mommy yesterday. And I have my whole heart out for him because he lost his dad in May. His mom, he lost last night. And I am very sorry for him. So I want to make sure you guys give him love as well. Send him a message if you want. Drop a comment on that tweet. But please make sure that you guys could give him love. He really deserves all the love. He's a really nice guy. And he just got in the absolute of thrown at him. Crypto Wolf, thank you for the heart. I appreciate it. Gio, Emma sounds great. Oh my gosh, Gio, that's crazy. K9MM, did I save you a plate from yesterday? Yes, I did, K. Yes, I did. K, I know you asked for it. I was waiting for you to come in the chat. Look at what we got out here. Sweet potatoes, the ham is missing. Gravy, 2 types of gravy. And we got the mashed potatoes, all the meats. We got the stuffing. It was absolutely amazing. For the first time ever making the full meal, it was amazing. And it was better than like really a lot of probably all the Thanksgivings I've had before. And, you know, I know my family might be watching it and someone might be mad at me, but I'm sorry. I like the family and I crushed that yesterday. Slappy, thank you for the roses. I appreciate that. But yeah, it was nuts. Like a really good dinner yesterday. Freaking killed it. Next year, I want to make a mac and cheese the day before. Maybe tackle a cornbread. Oh, also make sure you guys are checking out that merch store as well. Speaking of the holidays, you guys need to check out the merch store. There is some stockings there, blankies to keep warm during the holiday season. So if you guys do want some Christmas stuff, we do have a stocking that is available right here, and it is so awesome and fluffy.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I haven't told my mom about us. Should I? See, now you can yell at me.
See, why do you try to do this? Why do you try to start chaos? Because you just can't help it, Mr. Yee. Because you just can't help it. Now I can't acknowledge this. I cannot acknowledge it. Yeah, Emma, not the $4.99. Not the $4.99. And you know what? He requested something over the weekend. Not even over the weekend. I feel like it's a weekend. He requested something, and I did it. Didn't even happen. Didn't even happen. Didn't even happen. But Ninja, K9MM, showing love in the chat, showing love. Is it possible to get 14 more likes to get 150? Is that like a thing? Cornbread stuffing is good. Cornbread is really good. Cornbread is really, really good. I'm a big cornbread person. Cornbread is my weakness. Cornbread is my love. I love cornbread. If anyone wants to steal my heart, food, chocolate, In-N-Out burgers, cornbread. Sheesh, man. And maybe real eggs from Nana's place, right, Nana? I need your eggs. I need real eggs. I need love. I need your love, Nana. I need like a mother's love. I need like a Nana love. Did I say food? Yes. Yes. What on earth is cornbread? No, Tom. No, you did not. You did not ask that question. What is cornbread? It's probably the best thing known to man. Cornbread. You want to know what freaking cornbread is? I'll freaking show you. Hold on. Cornbread. This is cornbread. The best thing ever. A good cornbread is absolutely life. DYOR. DYOR on the cornbread. That gift can only play on Wednesday. What do you mean? You requested. All right. All right. Listen. Oh, Bitcoin trying to pump again. Bitcoin trying to pamp. Oh, shoot. We're back at 38.3. 38.3. Oh, shoot. I don't know. Let's go back to the minute chart because we need to hit the minute. What's up, JP? Cornbread is the struggle food. What do you mean? Cornbread is amazing food. I don't care what's a struggle and what's not. If it's yummy, it's freaking yummy. We see here that we topped out at 38.4. It seems like Bitcoin wants to bounce back. She's trying to push up again. Push up, pump the market, pamp it up. You got to pamp it up. I don't know, guys. I don't know. You listen, you requested the amount. One of the two. Take a guess. Take a guess. Take a guess. Cornbread is life. Your middle name is Cornbread. All right. Now you're just trolling me, Tom. Tom, now you're just trolling me out here. I can't with you. 38.3. Hopefully we didn't top out. Hopefully Bitcoin pumps again. Hopefully we see some price action. We see some love. Go Flavor, Go TV. Facts on the cornbread. See, Go Flavor, Go. You understand because you got flavor. You understand flavor probably more than most. Can we get 11 more likes? 10 more likes now. Let's get 150 likes. Come on, man. Let's pump it on a Friday.
So pump it up. You
Got to pump it up. Yeah, Bitcoin wants to pump again. Ooh, if we keep closing in the green for these minute candles, man, we might see some stuff. We might see some stuff. One Litecoin Moon forward said, listen, Litecoin's at $70, and she wants to pump to maybe 74, hopefully. But that's our resistance is $74. Really, because that's our big problem. That's our big problem. David B. Price action is just getting started. I hope so. We're looking at the minute chart, stalking Bitcoin to the highest degree. Hopefully we could get this going, man. We could get this going and pamp up Bitcoin because look, she wants to go back to 38.4. You see she's climbing. You know, she's like making her way.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you serious?
Romantic face, romantic face, romantic face.
I cannot believe it didn't work. I am pissed. Oh my gosh. Thank you for sending that. Ugh, it did not work. Why didn't that not work? Are you kidding me? That is ridiculous. I apologize. I am the worst person ever. Literally, I did it. I did it. The family saw it. I did it. Oh my gosh. I apologize. I really do. I really do. Because, listen, that was supposed to be better. That was supposed to be better. I'm literally going to double check. Oh, wow. It didn't even freaking save. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I literally had it, and it says it's here too. Wow, that's messed up. That is messed up. I apologize. Freaking messed up. I fixed it. I fixed it now, though. It's there now. I double did it. I double did it. It literally says it too. I'm sorry. But listen, we got Bitcoin. Still trying to make it to 38.4. 38.4. It seems like, again, it's something that we want to move towards. Oh, yeah, and it wasn't that amount. You know what? It's right. Emma pointed that out. It's not the right amount. We agreed on another one. There was another amount. It wasn't that one either. But yeah, 38.4 seems like it wants to catch up. Reread the chat. Emma caught it. Emma caught you. Reread the chat. But yeah, so we got this going on, pamping it up to 38.4. 38.420 seems to be what Bitcoin wants, too. Look at it go. Look at it go on the minute. Look at it go on the minute. Oh my gosh. Cornbread dipped in fresh olive oil. Really? Is that the move? Is that the move? Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Look at this go. Test it, test it, test it. So you see how Bitcoin, the buyers are like, and the bulls are moving so far against each other because like you see it's starting to go, then it's not. How do you guys feel in the chat?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not the right one either.
Face, romantic face, romantic face.
You gotta reread the chat. You gotta reread the chat. You gotta reread the chat. If you upgrade, you could look at the 30 seconds. Yeah, so the 30-second chart, I guess I do have to. Yeah, you guys. Oh, man. I guess I should, if you guys haven't yet, the Trading View has a 70% off sale. So you guys could look at that. I guess I got to look at that too, the sale. Get it on it, man. It's not that one either. I know he's mad. I know he's mad. Listen, if you don't get it, the rebellion might escalate. The DXY, yes, I will look at the DXY. See, look, you see how Bitcoin, she got to that point, 38.3, almost 38.4, rejected it. Why? Tell me why. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Where is? Oh, here it is. All right. So, why are my lines here? We do have the Dixie. The Dixie. Wow. See, we see here that this has been like a long-term point right here. 103. Obviously, We don't move. The 200-day SMA does not move. And we had a sharp downturn here since, when is this? November. Well, oh yeah, this is today. The whole day. Or yeah, this is still today. 1400 dip. Wow. This is the minute. So let's look at the day. Apologies for that. Let's look at the day here. So we see here, I don't know why my line isn't here, but I did have it at some point. Trust me, I did. Trust me, I did. We did have, where was this level here? 106. Okay, yeah, this is where I had it. Yeah, so we see here that the dollar obviously seems to have topped out back here in October of 2022. Was a nice little squeeze, and then we fell below that little trend right there. And then once that happened, it was kind of a downturn, a little upsetting. But also, we tested 107, rejected that harshly. Now we're struggling with the 200-day SMA with the dollar. And typically, people say that the dollar and Bitcoin has like an inverse relationship where if the dollar goes up, then Bitcoin goes down, or if the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up. We do see that kind of playing out right now where Bitcoin, or the dollar, as you see here, is down 0.34%, testing this. And if we fall below that, then maybe 99 is into play. But we see here that the dollar is down, Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is at 38.3 again, literally wants to test 38.4. And it just seems that, again, she's a little bit stagnant. I don't know. She'll have to wait until next year. I'm freaking dead. Singing, oh gosh. John Jermaine wants me to sing. I can't. Rave sing. I don't know. We need 2 more likes for a rave. Is Jerome Powell here? Beautiful chart. Oh, it's because I'm talking about the dollar. Oh, Jer Powell. I can't with you, man. Is Mr. Yeehaw mad at me now? I'm raving. Imagine. All right, listen, man. We need 2 more likes for a rave. If you guys want to rave, 150 likes, then I sing. What would you guys like me to sing? Do I have a request for a song in the chat? Oh my gosh, I can't. Singing is a security. I don't know. Listen, I see 140. Oh, I see 150 likes now. It's rave time. I can't believe you guys want the rave that bad. You guys missed the rave. You guys want the rave. I admit you love the rave. Opal, stop saying no rave. You know you love it. Look at the chat. Smash that rave. I think we need a rave emoji. When we get more members, we will add a rave emoji. Rave emojis are a must. Or maybe I have to replace some of the current ones. I think a rave emoji is needed. Oh, shoot. What's up, Steve Dottie? Are you ready to go? Are we ready? I don't know. I feel like I almost hear something. I don't know. Do you hear that? I hear a little bit of a beat. Ooh. Hey. Maybe take a sip of some coffee. Ooh. Whoa. That was nuts. That was nuts. Whoa. That was pretty lit. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. Yep. Yeah. This was awesome. This was awesome. Thank you guys for that. Thank you guys. Thank you. Tom said he wants to join the rave. Man, we need a rave. We need a rave. Man, guys. Maybe when I'm 21, we'll actually like do a rave meetup. We'll all go rave together. Bitcoin is still at 38.2. Wants to make a move. Maybe we'll see 40K over the weekend. I hope so. I hope we have a nice move. Uncle Chris, hope you're having a great morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Uncle Chris. Miss Teen DJ. Yeah, I love that, man. The
Hucksters, fraudsters,
scam artists,
Ponzi
Ponzi
schemes,
schemes.
hucksters, fraudsters.
Crypto Ric Flair said weird. Woo! Woo to you, Ric Flair. Woo. Woo! What's up, Claude? What's up, bros in the chat? Listen, no one's too old to rave, Lazarus. Lazarus, you cannot have that attitude, I'm too old to rave. No, you're not. You're young, you're vibrant, you have the energy, you have the life inside of you. If you are alive, you are able to rave. Thank you guys for joining me today. We are going off. We might have started some controversy in the chat over a mysterious gift. And the conversation must be reread. And I feel bad that even I had the mistake of being like, oh, I misread the chat. But I didn't misread the chat. I did it right over the weekend. I literally just double checked it. So sorry for the controversy. But also, you guys are awesome. Please, like I said before, please check out Crypto Lifer's page. Please give him some love. I know I brought him up like a million times today, but I will not stop bringing him up because I think he deserves a lot of love. Please give him love. Crypto Lifer, I'm putting his tweet in the live chat, so please give him some love. If he's still live, head over to his stream. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for letting me rave with you guys. Thank you for being so awesome. I know I went over this a few days ago before Thanksgiving, but I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving weekend. Please be nice to other people. Please be nice to people. Please be nice to everybody. And realize that life is precious. And please be thankful for being alive, having a roof over your head. If you have money in your bank account, if you are just in a home with a roof over your head, you're more fortunate than probably 95% of the world. And I think a lot of us don't take that into account sometimes because we're all in our little bubble. But I think we should step out of that once in a while and just like help everybody, help each other, spread that love, spread that positivity. Hope you guys have a great day. Please spread love. Have a great weekend. A happy Friday. And as always, pamp it up and stay zesty. Peace. Smash the like, subscribe, share this video out, friends. You know what to do. Have a great weekend. Mwah.